Hi Year 6 and welcome to week 5 of your transition program. Today is Monday the 29th of June. Our special guest today is Mrs. Presley, who's going to be speaking a little bit about her role in the school. Now, it's been another fantastic week here at BA. Why, I hear you ask? Well, to start off with, our Year 10 students have had their first week of lessons on site this week. It's been great for them to be able to literally be in a classroom environment where they're interacting with their teachers physically. They can get to ask their teachers questions and get the support that they need to proceed with their lessons. So it's been great for us in that sense. Another thing that's happened this week that's been fantastic, we've had our Year 7 students in on site and they've been planning some surprises for you. Right, today's shout out goes out to 2 students. Victoria, well done for all your efforts in completing your maths and English task. And the second shout out goes to Louis. Well done, Louis, for all the fantastic work that you've put in your maths lesson. Right, guys, don't forget, make sure that you're actually completing your work and submitting them in through the email on the website. I'll now pass you over to Miss Presley, who's going to talk a bit more about herself. Over to you, Miss Presley.
Thank you, Miss. Hi, everybody. So, my name is Mrs. Presley. I'm the Director of Sport here at Bexleyheath Academy. So, for your induction task for PE, what you're going to find is the theme is the number 25, because when you leave in 5 years' time, that you're going to be known as Class 25. So we have some challenges for you to complete. For example, how many times can you throw a ball against the wall and catch it in 25 seconds? How long does it take you to do 25 keepy-uppies? There's lots of tasks on there, and we know it's difficult with the equipment that you've got at home. You might not have the space or the ball or the bats, so you'll have some options. So just improvise and try your best and get your results recorded. In addition to that, we have a quiz for you to take part in, where you're going to get to know a little bit more about PE, why it's in the curriculum, and a bit more about us PE teachers. So good luck with that too. And then in September, you're going to get to meet us all, and what you're going to find is you'll have 2 PE lessons a week. In them lessons, you're going to experience a broad range of sports. We try and do as many different sports as we can, and hopefully you're going to find something that you really enjoy doing that you can keep doing for the rest of your life, lifelong habits and hobbies. Okay, and the other thing to look forward to in September is our clubs. We have lots of after-school clubs for you to take part in. We compete against other schools, so we're really looking forward to you joining our teams. Everybody is welcome, and we're going to have loads of fun. Okay, so I'll see you then, Year 6s. Back to Miss.
Thank you so much, Miss Presley, for that. Right, the next section in today's assembly is going to be what it is that you're going to be looking forward to this week. So this week you're going to have, as usual, your maths, your English and your science task. And then for your non-core subject, we're going to have a music lesson. Now, the next part is today's quiz. I'm going to read out today's 5 questions and then I'll pass you over to Mr. Courtney. Question number 1, name the smallest country in the world. So that question was, name the smallest country in the world. Question number 2, how many legs does a spider have? How many legs does a spider have? Question number 3, how would 5 to 1 in the afternoon be displayed on a digital clock? I'll repeat that question again. How would 5 to 1 in the afternoon be displayed on a digital clock? Question number 4. Tokyo is 9 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. If it is 3:20 in London, what time is it in Tokyo? So Tokyo is 9 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. If it is 3:20 in London, what time is it in Tokyo? And the last question for today, what is the name of the river that flows through London? And lastly, what is the name of the river that flows through London? I'll pass you over to Mr. Courtney, who has another surprise for you.
Thank you, Miss Shallow, and just to say welcome everyone to the Year 6s again. What you will also receive this week is a link that will bring you to our Festival of Remarkable Lives, which is our AET Trust Festival, celebrating all of the remarkable work that is done here at Bexleyheath Academy and across the Trust. So please do join us on Wednesday, the 1st of July for that. It is virtual, so please just click on the link you're provided. We're also inviting you to join our assembly on Wednesday at 9 o'clock in the morning, which will celebrate the work of our Key Stage 3 students. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you all in there. I'm now going to hand back to Miss Shallow, who will finish off the assembly this afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Courtney. Right, year 6, it's that moment once again. Sadly, we've come to the end of today's assembly. So just to close the assembly, remember, make sure you're staying safe at all times. Wash your hands frequently with soap for at least 20 seconds, guys. Keep fit and healthy. And if you're outdoors, don't forget to make sure you keep those 2-meter rule distances. Have a fantastic week, year 6, and enjoy your task. And I look forward to all your submissions. Have a nice day. Bye for now.